This video is about core exercises. It has more than 25 exercises for core, that is in ascending order of difficulty. Before getting into these exercises, let's understand why and how should you perform them. Core muscle is probably the most important but the most overlooked and abused muscle in the human body. It sits at the deepest part of the abdomen and runs very close to the lower abs and gets extended till the lower back. Just because it's hidden, we do not think of making them stronger. The best way to explain its function is with this belt. Once I tighten this belt, I have a better control on my abdomen and lower back. Think of core exactly like an invisible belt that helps to stabilize the lower back and prevent the belly from protruding. Whether you are in sports or at workout or while doing daily activities like holding your child or even just doing mopping, every necessary motion originates in the core and runs through it. Now very briefly, we will discuss about the techniques of core exercises. Learning to breathe correctly is the most important part of doing any core exercise. To make it very simple, there are 3 rules of breathing. Number 1 is to exhale or breathe out while doing the difficult part of the exercise. Number 2 is to inhale or breathe in while doing the easier part of the exercise. And the number 3 is to maintain the normal breathing while doing a static exercise like plank. Never try to hold your breath anytime during the exercise. Just to give you an example, while doing the normal crunch, while I'm getting up, this is the difficult part of the exercise. So in this motion, I'll be exhaling or breathing out. While going down, it's the easier part of the exercise, and this is the time when I'll inhale. Once again, exhale, inhale. The second critical aspect of the technique is holding the contraction in the abdomen. There is no point to go through 100 of movement if you are not fully contracting your abdomen while doing the core exercise. If you are experiencing a pain in your lower back or shoulder while doing core exercise, it's probably because you are not engaging your abdomen muscle, and in the process your shoulder and the back is getting strained. So once we have a basic understanding of why and how of core exercises, let me demonstrate these exercises to you now.
Let's go, 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 let's go. Wake up, wake up, wake up, wake up. I see that. Let's go, let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Wake up, wake up, wake up, wake up. I see that. Let's go. Wake up, wake up, wake up. Wake Wake up, wake up, wake up, wake up. Wake up, wake up. I see Wake up, wake up.